bring something new to Takodana. People trying to kill each other without being paid to.
You cannot.
I can feel them.
These are the fruits of future.
A very unlucky villain is the first to greet our heroes.
I'm very unsatisfied.
This is your war, not mine. He's powerful and full of hate.
Domination by the light side.
Not going your way.
Good. Gruesomely triumphs over evil.
This is where the fun begins.
That was lucky.
Rays tossing bodies like rocks.
I can't let them pass. I've seen the things you do. You're done. Understand? Somewhere close. I feel his rage. No more!
You annihilate.
My friends and I will stop you. Where are you?
I wield great power to my soul.
The villainous killing spree continues.
It's complaining about being impulsive now. Wild space won't be safe.
Who knew heroes could be so ruthless?
Going in time!
You see my specialty.
See? No problem. My power doubled since the last time.
Your domination is not as complete as you think. Still halfway to go.
Great. More.
Stay away from these people!
Ready to quit yet? Improvise explosives.
You have failed.
Give it a rest, why don't you?
Chosen one, countless victims.
You I claim.
You guys? Again?
Your responsibilities.
Don't get up on my account. Holy religions and ancient weapons no match for this last.
Join me.
Walk away.
Get power.
Rays tossing bodies like rocks.
Why does everyone think they can take on the Jedi?
Meet your challenge.
We've got superior forces and a Jedi. Underestimate my power! See how they like to get blasted fire.
Opening path to triumph.
You're getting the hang of it.
You I claim.
Solo shoots last. A stunning display of marksmanship that will claim more victims every time he describes it.